Hi, my name is Greg, and I am the project coordinator for the Friends and Neighbours project, also known as FAN. The Friends and Neighbours project, also known as FAN, is part of the Waltham Forest Council's Connected Communities programme. We host workshops and events like virtual Bollywood classes and creative classes. We also partner with local organisations to deliver activities that help residents across the borough build stronger communities. Our events help you learn English in a fun and new environments. These include family craft sessions and trips to new places. Enjoy more of the diverse culture Waltham Forest has to offer. Our workshops and resources are free and will help keep you active or improve your well-being. Here is a message from one of our learners from a fan trip to the Horniman. I have never taken the train as I do not feel confident about reading the train maps. If it was not for being on this trip, I would have never tried, and now I feel more confident and enthusiastic to explore in other parts of London. Thank you.